So today we discuss about the prime number program. What is prime number? First of all, what is prime number? If a number has if a number has only two factors, that is 1 and itself, then it is known as a prime factor. For example, if we take 3, 3 is a prime number because 3 has only two factors, 1 and 3. So 3 is a prime number. So we take another example, 7. 7 is also a prime number. 7 has only two factors, 1 and 7. So we take another example like 10. 10 has four factors, 1, 2, 5 and 10. So 10 is not a prime number. How can we know prime number? If number has only two factors, then it is said to be a prime number. So I will write the code for prime number. So first of all, I am reading the n, scanf. I am reading the n. So if suppose I am assuming that my n equal to 5, so I want to check how many factors are there for the 5. So what I am do, for loop from 1 to n, from 1 to 5, I want to check how many numbers are the factors of 5. From I is equals to 1, I less than or is equals to n, I plus plus. If n percentile I is equals to 0. When n percentile I is equals to 0, then I is the factor of n. So initially I don't know how many factors are there. Factors value is 0. When I know I is factor, then I will incrementing the factors value. Factors plus plus. So see here. First initially, so I am taking the input as 5. So n equal to 5. First of all, initially what I is equals to starting from 1. When I is equals to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, condition is true. So it entered into the loop. So here I am checking the condition 5 modulo 1 it is equal to 0. So when 5 n modulo I is equals to 0, the I is the factor of the number. So 1 is the factor. Factors. What are the factors? 1. Next I will see what are the factors. So 1 is the factor. So I will incrementing the factors value. What are the factors value? Factors value become 1. Initially factors value is 0. I know that here 1 is the factor of 5. So I will incrementing the factors value to 1. So after incrementing the after incrementing the factors value, I will incrementing the I value. I becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Condition is true, right? So I will checking with 5. 5 modulo 2 is equals to 1. It is not equal to 0. So 2 is not factor of 5. So I am skipping this iteration, this statement. This statement I will skipping this statement because condition is false. If condition is true only, then only I will incrementing the factors value. So I will incrementing the again I value. I becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Condition is true. Okay. I will checking with 5. 5 modulo 3. 5 modulo 3 means 2. Is 2 equal to 0? Not. So 3 is also a not a factor of 5. So I will not incrementing the factors value. So I will becomes again 4. I will checking the condition 4 less than or equal to 5 is condition, this condition is true. So I will enter in the again loop. I will checking the with 5. 5 modulo 4. 5 modulo 4, what is the value? 5 modulo 4 means the remainder is 1. So it is not equal to 0. So 4 is not factor of the 5. I am skipping this statement and I will incrementing the I value. I becomes 5. Is 5 less than or equal to 5? Condition is true. So I will checking the with 5. 5 modulo 5. What is the remainder value? Remainder value is 0. So condition is true. I will incrementing the factors value to 2. I will incrementing the factors value by 1. Before it has 1, now it has 2. So 5 is also the factor of number 5. Next I will incrementing the 6. Is 6 less than or equal to 5? Condition is false. So I am exiting the loop. Exiting the loop. Exiting loop. So after exiting loop, I am checking factors. How many factors are there? If factors equal to 2, then only my number is a prime number. Otherwise my number is not a prime number. If factors equal to 2, then only my number is prime number. Here how many are the factors numbers? Factors are 2. Is the given number is prime number or not? Yes, this condition is true and the given number is a prime number. So let us take another example. If n equal to 4, n equal to I am taking 4. Initially what is the I value? Starting from 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 5? Yes, condition is true. I am checking with 4 modulo 1. 4 modulo 1. What is the value? 0. So 1 is the factor. Initially the factor's value is 0. So I am incrementing the factor's value to 1. After incrementing the factor's value, I will incrementing the I value. What is I value? I value becomes 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 5? Yes, condition is true. So I will checking with 4. Is the factor or not? 4 modulo 2? Yes, condition is true. 4 modulo 2, the remainder is 0. So 2 is also the factor of 4. Right? 2 is also factor of 4. The factor's value incrementing by 1. So it becomes 2. So again I will incrementing the I value. I becomes 3. Is 3 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Sorry. Here 4. So is 3 less than or equal to 4? Yes, condition is true. I will checking with 4. 4 modulo 3. What is the value? 1. So it is not equal to 0. So 3 is not factor of 4. I will incrementing the I value. I value becomes 4. Is 4 less than or equal to 4? Yes, condition is true. 4 modulo 4 is condition is true. So 4 is also the factor of number 4. I will incrementing the factor's value by 1. Factor's value becomes 3. Next I will incrementing the I value by 1. 5. Is 5 less than or equal to 4? No. Condition is false. So I am exiting the loop. After exiting the loop, I want to check how many factors are there. How many factors are there for 4? There are 3 factors. Is the condition is true? No. This condition is false. So if condition is false, the else statements will execute. What is else statement? It is not a prime number. It is not a prime number. So once we will execute in C++ int n. I am reading the n value. I don't know the factors, so I am declaring the factors value to 0. I am iterating the loop from 1 to n. If n modulo I equal to 0, then I am incrementing the factors value by 1. After exiting the loop, if factors value is equal to 2, then I am saying it is a prime number. It is a prime number. Otherwise, it is not a prime number. Sorry, in C++ we can use cout, not prime. So I am giving the input as for what is our first test case? 7. So here see the output, 7 is prime number. 7 is a prime number. I am giving another number. What is our test case 2? 10. 10 is not a prime number. So here see what 10 is not a prime number.